Yeah, so this is Linux. So for today we are going to be learning about some basic commands that you need to actually know as if you are working on Linux. That's Linux operating system. So you're going to open the terminal. This is the emulator, the terminal emulator, and we are redirected here. So we are going to basically ensure where we are working. That's our working directory. So we are working, that's on home, and then we have the coffee. That's where it is where we are basically working. So this is the directory, and if you want to list all the items or elements in this very directory, this what is in there, we have the desktop, the documents, the downloads, music, pictures, public, template, video. So if you are actually a Windows user, you should actually know this. Actually, that the this PC. So basically this how it is, and yeah. So let's open. We want to open the document. So how are we going to open the document? So if you want to open the document, we do cd document. So meaning if we want to open the document and we list to see what is in the document, and we have Linux and Linux files in there. So let's see the part that's in the pwd. Yeah, so actually know where we are exactly. So we are exactly in the home coffee and the document. So we are actually in the documents directory. So and we want to clear the screen. We want to clear the screen. Yeah, so right now we have Linux and Linux file. So let's open the Linux file and see what is in there. CD Linux. Let's see what is in the Linux. Okay, so there's nothing in there. Let's go back. So how are we going to go back? Let's go back and see CD. Now we are actually back. We want to see we want to enter into the Linux files and see what is also in there. We have so let's clear and see what's in there. So we have the hack.html, have index.html, index.php, style.css, text.tsc. So these are basically files that we have in here. And how are we going to open it? These are basically, so instead of navigating into the PC or into your Linux operating system using your mouse or something, the commands is actually one key thing that will basically allow you to navigate around your operating system. Yeah, so these are basically commands that helps if you want to be a an ethical hacker or someone who wants to enter into the cyber arena. It is important for you to get that's all these commands very well. So let's see, we're going to open a hack.html or index.html. Let's open index. Before that, let's see index.html. So we are cat index.html. We want to see the that file, what is actually in the file. So we have the body, this background color, blah blah blah. So it is actually HTML file. Okay, so that's nice. So then let's try to open it. So we want to open index.html. We want to open it, and it should be open in the browser for you to actually see what is actually in it for you. Yeah. So let's read for you to be open. Actually, it will be open in the browser. So this is actually in there. This is what is in it. Yeah. So I love Linux command. So okay. So this is what we actually have in there. That's awesome. Awesome stuff. And let's open the hack hack.html. So we want to see the file also in the hack.html. Now we've seen it. So open hack.html. Let's see. So same approach. This is what we have in here. Yeah. So this is actually this is also another way. Let's clear the screen, list all of them and see. So style.css, text.css as well. So let's cut text.tsd. and see what is in there as well. Yeah, so we've opened that one too, and basically you've seen what is actually in all of in here. Same applies to all the files. If you want to open this, how you're basically going to do it. Yeah, so you have various commands in Linux where you can actually ensure the HTML. So this is actually a nano is actually like a text, let me put it the way, this is like a text editor which allow you to basically manipulate or write anything that you want. So this is where I can use to manipulate whatever that I have. So I have I am Christian Jones, so let me add I am Christian Jones in Chroma, and let's save the file and see. Yeah, so Control S, I'll save the file, and I'll press Control S, Control S. Yeah, so I have here. So let's open index.html. So we are opening index.html, and see now I have updated it using the nano editor. So this is actually a powerful thing that you need to basically ensure. Yeah, so with the nano we can do a lot. I have bash index.html. Okay, so that's one other thing that I wanted to. Okay, so let's go back and see what we have there. And if you want to create another folder, or if you want to create a folder, all you need to do is basically make directory. Or if you want to create a directory, you want to create that's games, the name of let's create files, yes, files. So mark mkdir files. So let's list all and see. Now we have files, Linux files. So we've created a file here, and let's remove latency. We want to remove, so rmdir meaning remove directory. So this is what we want to remove, and let's list and see. So now it has been deleted, right? So this is what we want to actually achieve, and let's all and see, and let's create it again. And let's see right now. So let's go into the files, and so we want to create some text that's file in it. We want to create a text file that's a text, and let's say text dot text dot txt, this dot txt, this dot txt. This is what we want to actually achieve. So this way we do but before that, let's place and see. So you don't have anything in here, so we touch let's create an index.html file. Touch. Now we have index.html file in here. So how are we going to open it? Cat index.html. We don't have anything here, so it is not displaying. We don't have anything here, so it is not displaying. Right? Yeah. Okay. So right now, let's open it in nano. We want to open it in nano and start writing something. So body, this is Linux index file created. So I've created a file, I've saved it. Let me listen, see, let me cut. So cut index.php, and this is what we have. This is Linux index file created. So exactly what I have in there is what it is. But if you want to open that the file, if that's the cut, it basically allows you to get whatever that is in that particular file. That's if you want to view whatever that particular file, that is the exact thing. I mean the text part of it. Yeah, in that particular. But for the open, it allows you to open. Maybe if that particular file is supposed to be open using Microsoft Word, using a browser. Yeah, basically to do that for you. So you want to open index.html, and we have it in the browser just like I said it. So this is how the Linux basically works, and it's actually a powerful thing that you need to actually know. Yeah, so let's go back and see. So we have files, Linux files. Yeah, so these are the kind of commands that you actually have. So, and you can also display certain information to users. Yeah, so this what we can also do, can display information. So echo hello. Yeah, we can also create some variables as well. So this is basically the line of commands that you need to know. That if you want to have them in your fingertips, these are basically the kind of commands that I think if you have them, yeah, it will be best for you. Yeah, so thank you very much. See you. Tech.